If you need to publish a page in Microsoft Bookings, I'm going to show you exactly what you need to know to get it done. So let's dive in. So to publish a booking page, you need to go from here. I'm using the browser, not the desktop application. You're going to go ahead and click on the create booking page. You can find it down over here, as well as on the right hand side. Now, once you open this window, you'll have to give your booking page a name. So let's just say booking page. We're going to go and also add a logo, and then you can choose your business type. So I'm just going to go for education, and you can also change your business hours. Now these business hours are quite important because no one can make a booking on your page outside of these business hours. So make sure that your business hours are correct. I'm going to leave it exactly like that. I'm going to click on next, and here you can invite staff members to be assigned to your team. Okay, so you're going to go ahead and add them just in over here. You'll now be prompted on this page. You'll have to set up a service. This makes it a lot easier for people to book a specific service when making a booking. Let's click on next, and here you can choose who can book appointments. So anyone, I'm going to just make it everyone. I'm going to open those permissions up, and within the next few seconds you'll have a booking page set up, ready to be published. You can see now that it is ready and people can book at this address. Now what you can do is just right click it and you can copy this link. So let's just say copy link address. You can also click on share over here. You can share it via email, and then there's also that copy option there. Let's go ahead and click on get started. So now you can navigate over to the left to your booking page, and on this booking page you'll be able to go into this section over here where you can publish this page. So over here is all of your details that you can change, such as access control, customer data consent, scheduling, customization, which is awesome, and then also the last one over here is your region and time zone settings. Now, as I said before, you can embed this in code. You can also email this, which is probably the easiest way to do it, and then you can also just copy that. And there you go. Your bookings page is now published.